Hello girlies, today we're going to be reviewing e.l.f.'s new foundation. I currently have e.l.f.'s new Soft Glam Satin Foundation that is supposed to be medium to buildable coverage, and it also has some hydrating features in here. Now, this product retails for $8. It is in this cute little sleek bottle. I love everything about it. It is so pretty. It says to have breathable coverage, and it also has 36 shades, y'all, and I am impressed with that. But when I went to Walmart, I only saw one dark shade, so we got that one. We're going to see how it is now. But I wish I would have had more shades of like the dark skin in my Walmart. Now, they're probably just Walmart in general and not really e.l.f.'s fault, but it would have been nice to have like a little bit more dark shades just so I can figure out I can have my right shade. But we're just going to test this out to see if this is close enough. This product is meant for dry combination and oily skin, which is a little bit iffy for me. However, we are going to test out on dry skin to see if it's worth it. Now, like I said, this product is $8, so we're going to get right into the reviews and see how this product is.
I've been throw up the sex in
I'm gonna go in and actually use e.l.f.'s primer. I have their Power Grip primer right here with the niacinamide, and I'm gonna just put this all over my face because just in case it's not enough hydration in here, I will get it from this product. That's gonna go on my one side Secure the Blur just to put it in my pore area because my pores are thick, y'all, and I need all the extra TLC I can get. Now, I do want to say, if you want to see my eye makeup routine, it will be on my TikTok, and I also might post it on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, so make sure you subscribe, help your girl out, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. All right, so I let everything sit. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So I have one in shade 61, which is also a rich cool, and I'm not cool tone, so I'm hoping that it comes out good, y'all. So we're just gonna go in and use this product. I'm gonna put some on my hand to see how it looks. Now, it says it's cool, y'all, but it's looking a little warm to me. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. But this is definitely looking warm. And now I'm a little bit scared. We're going to just take this brush and just go in and swipe. That might not have been enough. Hold on. All right, you guys, so first response, yeah, I mean to tell me this is cool. Well, it's red. Okay, it's red. Okay, it is cool. Let me stop. Okay, y'all, so first impressions, this product is red, so it's definitely a cool tone. I wish they would have had my shade, but we're gonna have to just make this work. Now, the coverage is amazing. It is very buildable. It's very lightweight. I'm not having any issues or anything. It's not drying down too quickly. So this is what the face looking like with kind of like 1.5 layers or so. And it is red, y'all. It is red, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. But this is what it looks like on the face. Now, I do see that satin finish like it says. It's not drying. It's not cakey. It looks actually very hydrating, or that could just be my skincare routine, who knows, but it looks good on the skin. Now we're gonna see how it is when we layer products and maybe get my face from looking so red. That's also another thing right there. We're gonna go in with Fenty Beauty. This is their hydrating concealer in the shade 44W, because at this point we need to add some warmth to this face, like now. Now, I do want to say, as I'm building it and I'm over here blending, everything is blending out great. I do not see any separation, any problems. The foundation, well, the concealer looks good with the foundation, which is not bad, and I'm actually very happy about. And I'm going to continue to blend now. Now, even though this foundation says it has like hydrating particles or like hydrating benefits or so, it's not too hydrating to where like the concealer slip and slides, which is a great thing. It literally just like kind of staying in place for me, and I love that. I'm gonna go with my I'm gonna go with my Hourglass concealer. This one's in the shade Flax, which is also 8, I think. I don't know, child, it's in the shade Flax or so. And I'll put this right here. I'm gonna let it sit so it can get a little bit thicker. And while that's sitting, I'm gonna go in and use my contour. This is the Milani contour right here. This one's in the shade Mocha Moment, is 140. Yeah, I love this concealer. For it to be $12 or how much I spent for it, I love it. So this is one of my new favorites, and that says a lot because I rarely change my contours or bronzers, whatever you want to call it. Like, look at that. Oh, it looks good. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna blend out this concealer. All right, so we're gonna go on to blush. Now I actually have Morphe's new blush, y'all. I'm gonna include this in this video as well. And then I'm just gonna take it out. Oh, Jesus. This is their new Fioric. I think it's called new Fioric. I don't know, but this is their new blush right here, and I have mine in the shade Hypnotized. It's 3-in-1. It's a silky blush, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited to use it, and this is what it looks like now. I bought this today, and then I get on TikTok or whatever, and then they sell the free little sponge thingy with this at Ulta an hour after I bought it. Right, so we're gonna go in and use this right now. All right, so I went ahead and did like a little tester for y'all because I did a TikTok video, and this is what it's looking like on the skin. Now this product is super creamy. It is so pretty. I hate that it feels kind of like sticky on here. Maybe I have the wrong brush for it, I don't know, but other than that, that color, that payoff is so good. And I'm gonna show y'all on this side just so y'all can see for sure. All right, so I toned it down, so it's sticky with this, y'all. I might got too big of a brush. I'm gonna try again later, maybe or so, with something different, but I kind of do love the pigment. The pigment is amazing. I toned it down a lot, but the pigment is definitely there, so I might go back and get it in more shades. I thought this was gonna be like a red shade. I think it was supposed to be like a terracotta or something. Maybe I got the wrong one, who knows. But we're gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of the face. Gonna take my Kiss powder right here, the mattifying powder, and go up under my under eyes just to set everything in spot. So far, y'all, the foundation and everything looks good. Now it kind of went like not as red. I don't know if it's because of the products I use or what, but it's not as bad. Maybe that's just because I use a lot of warm products and it's like balancing itself out, but it doesn't look as red once I'm doing everything else. Next, we're going to be taking Huda Beauty. Now this is the setting powder in Peach Pie. I got the mini and I am in love with this. I wish I would have got the regular size, y'all, because this mini is hard to get the product out of. Are you like me, like you make funny faces as you're powdering? To make sure you like get like every little crevice that you can. Yeah. Next we're gonna go in with bronzer, and I have the Fenty Beauty bronzer right here in Thick Mint. It's like a dark chocolate. I'm gonna just go in and bring that color back to the face. I'm gonna take the brush again and take the setting powder and go up under the cheek to carve it out some. Next we're gonna go in and we're gonna use this MAC blush right here. This one's in the shade a little lusty. A little lusty. Now this is old, y'all. Like, look at this center part. Old, but it still is great, and I don't think I'm gonna change it no time soon. All right, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set it with Milk Hydro right here, and then Morphe Continuous. I'm gonna use both of them together just to get like this powder set more. All right, so this is what everything looks like after I do all the setting sprays. Now the face, it brought some glowiness back, but now it's like a lot of sheen, y'all. Like you can tell the foundation is like I said, satin with a little bit more hydration. It's not too matte, which is actually very, very pretty, especially for the summertime, which is what I am loving. Now, like I said, the redness of the foundation kind of disappears a lot to me, especially when you like do the rest of your face yourself. So I'm happy that worked. And it doesn't like look too far off from my chest, because I do have that problem when it comes to my skin, because we all saw my skin is like 15 different thousand shades, y'all. But I'm gonna finish off the face and I'm gonna come back to give my final thoughts on the product overall. All right, everyone, and that is it for today's video. Now, in person, I love the way my makeup looks. I look very bronzed. That's the kind of look I was going for. However, the blush is giving some sheen, and I really did not want too much sheen, so maybe I'll have to do that blush a different way in a different video. But other than that, I love the way the makeup looks. Now, like I said, the foundation started off reddish, but however, after putting everything on, it balanced out in my opinion. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about the way the makeup looks afterwards. But other than that, I think it looks good. I think that I might need to wash a couple of brushes and try this again, because some of my brushes are dirty. Like it wasn't giving like the full effect that I wanted to. However, I do think that this makeup came out bomb. So it is lightweight, it has buildable coverage. The satin finish, I can definitely see it because I'm getting some sheen, as you can see. Like I don't have no highlight on and I have some sheen, so that is great. It is not drying, it is not too hydrating. Everything looks good, everything looks matted. But yeah, I think this product is definitely worth trying if you're a dark skin girly and if you have dry skin. Try the different ways you want to use it, and I think y'all will be in love with it. Now let me know in the comments once again what you all think about the face. How does it look? Do y'all really enjoy this video? Do y'all really enjoy this, you know, this little review? I really love e.l.f. and I really love this product, so I'm so happy that these products worked for me for e.l.f. because it's kind of hard when you're a dark skinned girl trying to find great foundation shades. So I'm happy they got a great line going and everything looks good. Now let me know in the comments what products you want me to try next. I did recently run into KVD and I got their foundation, so I think that might be the next video when it comes to makeup. I don't know, but anyways, thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are halfway over to 1K. Help your girl out. And all right, girlies, I will see you on the next video. Bye.